What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And look, I just want to show you guys, I just cleaned my car and it's actually like shining like right now. Like, look, just look at this. It looks so good, man. I actually ended up ordering some lowering springs, TN lowering springs. Supposed to lower it 1.2 inches in the front and back, so it's gonna sit pretty close to the tire. It's gonna look really good though. Can't wait till that comes in. I actually have a O2 housing in my house. I'm getting that installed on Monday, so be ready for that video. But yeah, all right, I'll keep going on about the mods that I got done to it. So straight pipe all the way to the O2 sensor, which I already got not the O2 sensor, the O2 housing, which I already got the pipe for, so it's gonna be turbo back soon. Treadstone, here, I'll pop the hood and show you guys. And this is just performance wise too. Get the carbon fiber on the door handles. But yeah, so treadstone, intercooler piping. This is all. I gotta take this thing off right here, but HPS intake. So HPS intake, treadstone, intercooler piping, HKS blowout valve. I got a lightweight pulley down here, and so yeah, that's it for the engine bay. Not much, you know, it just looks clean. That's all I wanted. I am gonna end up upgrading these hoses and stuff, but for now, that's it. So yeah, like I was saying, so intake, intercooler piping, down pipe, test pipe, straight pipe, and a tune, and yeah. So let's take you guys for a drive real quick. We on our way to the gas station right now. Just gonna fill up before we go do some pulls. But my buddy actually got, I don't know what kind of camera it is, but I think it records at rather 4K or 1080p, but he's gonna actually end up mounting it to my bumper so you guys get all the clips of the pops and bangs and all that shit. So hard tapping it, bro, without getting it to jolt. Oh, like you mean like get it installed? Yeah. Oh, I made an appointment today for Monday at GT Auto. Yeah, hopefully. Over here. I thought you had to hit that video a little heady. Give a little rev. Real quick for a little camera in the back.
She holding up. She holding up.
She holding up for sure. I ain't lying. She holding up for sure. Man, the sun is just. Does it look good? Still didn't get the paint in? Tell him, man, I need my paint. Bro, I can't see shit, bro.
Oh yeah, it is a Sunday driver
After them like that. That is tough. You guys better go buy yourself an HKS blow valve. So anyway, so with all the mods that I have on this and everything, it's making, I'd probably say, a little bit over 300 wheel horsepower. I think around the same torque. I'm not sure what it is to the crank because I got to dyno it, but yeah, I think it's just around there. Like definitely, yeah, for sure, definitely around there. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a video when I dyno it for sure. Like, I gotta get that. I think I'm gonna change my spark plugs. So the future mods that I'm getting, okay, so I already have my O2. I need to get my Treadstone intercooler. I want to get another set of spark plugs just because I had these one in for a little bit. And my lowering springs, TN lower springs are already on the way, so that's probably going to be it for the performance wise. But for cosmetics, I'm gonna get the Spec D sequential taillights for the back so I can match my custom headlights that I got done. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in another one.